How about a juicy, tender, delicious, oven-style jerk pork recipe? If you want to see how, just keep on watching. So welcome back to the channel. So just keep watching guys and let's prepare this delicious jerk pork. The first step I did off camera was to wash my pork with vinegar, and I cut this in some smaller strips. As you see, there's 3 parts. Yes, and now I'm just going to use my knife to pierce. In that way my seasoning can penetrate through the meat very fast, and we're going to leave this to marinate at least 6 hours or so. Preferable, if you have the time, you can leave it overnight. And I'm adding some spice. I'm using black pepper complete season, all-purpose salt, garlic powder, and of course my homemade jerk seasoning. And since I'm doing this in the oven, I'm going to use some liquid smoke and let this marinate. Then we'll come back when it's time to prepare it. So just keep on watching guys. Okay, our pork marinated for approximately 6 hours. Now here I have some pimento berries. I'm going to crush these and add them to my pot with water for boiling our pork. I'm going to crush these. We need the pimento taste in our pork. Yes guys, we miss all those delicious spices when doing jerk, and I'm definitely missing them here. So here I'm just crushing my pimento seeds, adding my water to the pot. I'm going to add my pork to boil until tender, after which I'll come back when it's time to put it in the oven. This is completely cooked, but I'm going to put it in the oven just to get some color on top of my meat. And here I'm prepping my jerk sauce. I use a cup or so of the seasoned broth along with ketchup, some jerk season, a little sugar, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer down and thicken. After which I'm going to use a small amount just to coat my pork so it's get that nice jerk taste on it. Okay, so just keep on watching guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. jerk pork, guys. The smell in the kitchen. Look how tender this is. Yes. And the customers were very pleased with the end result. And I'm going to serve this up with a side of the jerk sauce. Yes, you see this is ready to deliver, guys. Yes. And if you enjoy this one and if you enjoy this method, please mention it in the comment section. And thank you guys for always coming out and watching my videos. Thanks for those that come in for the first time. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell. In that way, you won't miss another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.